Hello and welcome to our video on artificial intelligence. Today we are going to talk about what is AI, how it is different from other related technologies like machine learning and deep learning as well as neural networks. First, let's define what AI is. Simply put, it's when a computer can do things that usually required human intelligence. This can include things like understanding language, recognizing images, and making decisions. An example of AI is virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, which can understand and respond to spoken commands. Now, let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning is a way for computers to learn from data and improve their performance on a specific task without being explicitly programmed. It's a subset of AI. For example, you might use machine learning to build a program that can identify objects in a photo. You can firstly build the program. You would give it a set of photos with labeled objects such as car, tree, and a person. The program would then use the data to learn how to identify those objects in new photos. The more data you give it, the better it becomes at identifying objects. Deep learning is a specific type of machine learning that uses complex mathematical models called neural networks. It's called deep because it uses many layers in neural networking, allowing the computer to find out more complex patterns in the data. For example, deep learning is used in self-driving cars to help the car understand and respond to the environment in real time. A neural network is a type of machine learning algorithm inspired by the way the human brain works. It consists of layers of interconnected nodes called neurons, which are used to analyze, process, and make decisions from data. In summary, AI is when a computer can do things that would typically require human intelligence. Machine learning is a way to make computers learn on their own, and deep learning is a specific aspect or type of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn from data. It's important to note that AI is not just about technology, it's about how we use the technology to solve problems and create new opportunities in various fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Thank you for watching our video on AI and its other related technologies. I hope you now have a better understanding of these technologies and their potential uses. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Thank you.